So in part 1 of this series, I told you how to add a custom sign-up form. In this series, is also having a members area in Velo by Wix, not with the Wix app, Velo by Wix. I love Velo by Wix. I never like doing things with like the Wix apps. So see part 1 if you haven't seen it yet. And in part 1, at the end of part 1, I have told you that once you have finished doing your custom sign-up form, then a database will automatically be created. I was incorrect. That database was created, but the database was created from another thing. It was not the same as that. It was from another sign up thing. So right now I'm gonna correct it to you. So what you have to do if you wanna have a database, you have to make your own database. It wouldn't like appear one like automatically, or at least if it appears something automatically, maybe it's not what you like. So I'm just gonna show you here how to create a little custom database. So first go to wix.com, of course, open there the editor, put on developer mode because in all this series we're gonna be using Velo by Wix. Now go to databases. I have already created a database and I put the collection name to members. I'm just gonna create a new one to show you how I created this one. So just go to add, go to new collection. Now give this collection a name. I just put members. It says a collection with this name already exists because I already created a collection with this name. I'm just gonna put members too and now set a collection ID to use your code. I'm just gonna leave it as members too. Now what is this collection for? You can put you cannot put any of this, okay? Well, you can put any of this, but for another thing, not for this thing that we're doing right now. For this, or you either put member-generated content or custom use. The best one to put is custom use. Member-generated content is not as good because then you don't set your own permissions, right? So I'm just gonna put your custom use, which is the best one to use, that's my opinion. And I always like using the custom use one. Now you're gonna click set and create custom permissions. Wait a second. Okay, yeah, set custom permissions. Now who can read content from this collection? So who can see other people's profile? I am just gonna put anyone. Now who can create things for other people's profile? I know that might sound confusing. So what does that mean? Well, that means that who can create content from other people's profile. So for example, if you have like something of post, who can add comments to those posts? And who can follow those profiles. So how can like add things to that profile. I am just gonna put site member. Any registered user can add things to a profile. They can follow the profile, can like it, can leave a comment on the profile and all of those things. Now who can update it? I'm just gonna put site member or, which means that the same person who made their profile can edit their profile. Now who can delete it? I'm just gonna put site member also. The same person that did their own profile can usually delete their own profile. Now I'm gonna click set and create collection. So I already showed you that, how to add it. Now the fields don't appear there. I have already created them. It's just that they don't appear there because they are in the other original database that I created. So I'm just gonna wait a second. Gonna exit there from that database. And now we have these members to database that I created. I'm gonna delete it. Don't delete yours, just me. I'm gonna delete mine because I already have another one. That is the one that we're usually gonna use because I have everything ready there. Now, this title field, you cannot delete it because it is a system and primary field. You can use it if you want, but I don't use it because I think it's a really bad field. Well, you can change it here to whatever you want. You can put this, that for this a first name and all of those things, but I just prefer to create my own. I hope this doesn't even exist. I mean, it's something that we should delete like right now. I just prefer to add my own fields. So, what are the fields that I added by my own? Well, I added the first name field where people can, where the first name of the members will appear. So I have there this first name thing where the first name of the members will appear. So I have that. Now how did I add this and all of the other ones, right? How can you add all of those? Well, just click add. Now put the field name. I'm just gonna put example. Now put the field type, any of those. It will be different for many fields that you create, right? Well, not every field will have done different. For this, the majority of them will be always text, but in other things that you're making, it can be many other things. So I have their first name, I put the properties, I put the field name to first name, the field key to first name, the field type to text. Now we also have the last name. I put the field name to last name, the field key to last name, and the field type to text, because last name is text. Now we also have phone number. Let me see usually if there's one for phone number. There is this one of number, but I'm just gonna leave it at text right now. So we have there the field name, phone number, field key phone number, and the field type you can put text or number. I just put text. Everyone is good, okay? There are no differences. It's the same. Here we have email. So we have the field name sent to email, the field key set to email, and we also have the field type set to text. We also have this password one. So we have the field name set to password, the field key set to password, and the field type set to text. Here you have other hidden fields like the created date, all of those things. The created date, of course, you will use it for the created date of your profile. If you want to add that, just enable that one. Okay, just enable that one, and that one is automatically made by the system. All of those things, you cannot delete any of those things. It's just automatically made, all of those things. You can add the ID one too. I'm just gonna hide this title one. Oh, I didn't know that. You can usually hide it, but you cannot delete it, okay? No, you cannot delete it. So we have this, the ID too, which you can put if you want, and if you don't want, no. We have the owner too, which you can put if you want, and if no, no. Also the title. We have also the created date that if you want to put, you can put it. If not, no. We have also the updated date, which if you want to put it, you can put it. If you don't want, no. We also have first name, last name, phone number, email, password. If you want to put them or no. That one are just made by us, so I don't think you would want to delete them if you made them. I mean, hide them. because still they will be error, okay? Just a little bit higher. I'm just gonna exit out this thing. And now we're gonna go to menus and pages. This thing that I'm doing right now is totally optional. Now let's go to the sign up page that we created. And if you want, you can connect this to data. To what data? To the members database. Well, if you don't connect anything to data, then you don't have to have the members database. Like if you're not gonna add a data set and connect this to data, like in the sign up form, then it will not be a good idea to add a database. You don't need it, okay? So I did connect it to data, of course, first add a data set. So I want to add it and went down to I went to content manager. I want to add content element. I added a data set. I went to settings. I choose the collection of the data set to be members. I put the data set name to sign up form data set. Now the mode is write only. Okay, write only. And now I connected every of these elements on the sign up form to this data set. So I connected the first name, connect to data. Choose that connected data set. I choose this data set that I just created. Then value connects to first name. I did the same with the last name. Connected it to the sign up form data set. And I put the value connects to last name. Did the same with the phone number, which is optional. Connected it to data, connected data set, sign up form data set. Now value connects to phone number. I did the same with the email. Connect to data, sign up form data set. Now value connects to email. Now password. Okay, so now we have password and connected data set, sign up form data set. Now we also have value connects to password. And now click on the sign up button, connect to data, connect the data set, sign up form data set, go to click action connects to submit. Click action connects to submit. And here, this is completely optional. If you want, you can add a success message or a failure message. I decided to just add a failure message and not a success message, because if it is success in the part 1 of this series, we put in the code to when they click the submit button if it is a success, to go to the home page or any other page in your website. So I only added a failure text. To add it, just go to add failure message and put anything there on your message. In mine, I put your account could not be created. And now that I have shown you how to add a members database, now bye, this was all the video.